Hi, if you're looking for an amazing housewarming gift or you are looking for some pretty great tools to stock your own kitchen, Priority Chef has got you covered. Your search is over. They sent me this set so that I could tell you all about it, and I'm going to show you what we've got here. First, I'm sure you're noticing this stack of bowls. Look at this. Each one comes with a lid. It's stainless steel. Each one has this kind of coating on the bottom so that they don't slip around. Amazing. And let me show you the bottom one. This is so cool. So the lid has this little insert, and it comes with these 3 plates that you can stick on the inside. So this is a grater. So what you do is you just pop it in there, then you can grate whatever you need directly into the bowl. So there's 2 types of graters, and this one is a slicer. And again, each bowl has its own lid and this non-slit bottom. Also, check this out. We've got, this is why it's such a perfect housewarming gift, like for a bridal register. If you're a bride, you will want to register for this. And if you're a wedding guest, you will want to buy this because, I mean, look at this. We've got measuring cups, measuring spoons, a whisk, a tongs. We've got 2 of these rubber spatulas, plus this skinny one, plus this baster, plus this egg separator. This all comes in the same kit. It all comes together. I mean, look at this. Look at these bowls. Like, I can't even. They are so nice. These are so nice. So again, if you're a bride or a groom and you're doing your bridal registry, or if you are a wedding guest and you're buying a wedding present, or if you're moving out of your parents' house and you're getting your own place, these are perfect. Or, I mean, I've lived in this house for years and I can't even tell you how excited I am about these. So just buy them because they're great. Just buy them because they're great, because they are great. I love these. These are fantastic.